Hello everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you looking for a step-by-step guide to connect your Epson ET-2811 printer to Wi-Fi? It can be done easily with a WPS method. But if you want one-on-one assistance to fix the issue, please call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, follow my instructions to connect your printer and Wi-Fi with the WPS method. First, locate the WPS button on your printer. After that, go to your printer and press and hold the Wi-Fi button for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the button and the Wi-Fi will enter WPS mode. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for around 3 seconds. Then wait for about 2 minutes to connect. Notice the Wi-Fi direct light goes out and turns back on, which shows it has been connected with the Wi-Fi network.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.